Traveling through Europe can often feel like a dream that's just out of reach, especially when considering the costs associated with flights, accommodations, food, and activities. However, with the right strategies, exploring the continent on a shoestring budget is not only possible, but can also be incredibly rewarding. In 2026, as travel continues to evolve post-pandemic, there are unique opportunities and hacks that savvy travelers can utilize to make their European adventure affordable. This guide will unveil 10 essential hacks that aren't commonly shared, empowering you to experience Europe without breaking the bank. One of the most effective ways to save money while traveling in Europe is to embrace off-peak travel. High tourist seasons, typically during summer months and major holidays, drive prices up for flights, accommodations, and attractions. By planning your trip during shoulder seasons, late spring or early fall, you can enjoy milder weather, fewer crowds, and significant savings. For instance, traveling to cities like Paris or Rome in May or September can yield cheaper flights and hotel rates, allowing you to allocate more of your budget towards experiences rather than expenses. Europe is home to a plethora of budget airlines that offer incredibly low fares for inter-country travel. Airlines like Ryanair, EasyJet, and Wizz Air often have sales that can take you from one city to another for as little as $10 if you book in advance. Additionally, Europe's extensive train network provides a scenic and often economical way to travel. Consider purchasing a Eurail pass if you plan to visit multiple countries, as it can save you money on train travel while allowing the flexibility to hop on and off as you please. Always compare prices between flights and trains to find the best deal for your itinerary. Finding affordable accommodation is crucial for budget travelers. Instead of traditional hotels, consider alternatives like hostels, guest houses, or even home-sharing platforms like Airbnb. Many hostels offer private rooms at a fraction of the price of hotels, and they often include kitchen facilities, which can save you money on meals. Additionally, look for accommodations located slightly outside of major tourist areas. These can often be significantly cheaper while still providing easy access to public transport. Don't forget to check for last-minute deals or discounts on booking websites, as prices can fluctuate dramatically. One of the best ways to immerse yourself in a new city while keeping costs low is to take advantage of free walking tours. These tours are typically led by locals who share their knowledge and passion for the city, providing insights that you might not find in guidebooks. While the tours are free, it's customary to tip the guide based on your experience, which is still much cheaper than a paid tour. This not only helps you learn about the city's history and culture, but also gives you a chance to ask questions and receive recommendations tailored to your interests. Food is a significant expense when traveling, but there are ways to enjoy local cuisine without overspending. Instead of dining at tourist traps, seek out local markets, street food vendors, and small eateries where locals eat. These places often offer authentic dishes at a fraction of the price. Additionally, consider shopping at grocery stores for snacks or simple meals, especially if your accommodation has kitchen facilities. Preparing a meal with fresh local ingredients can be a fun and budget-friendly experience. Don't forget to indulge in local bakeries for breakfast or snacks. They often provide delicious options at very low prices. Many European cities offer tourist passes that provide access to multiple attractions for a single price. These passes can save you money if you plan to visit several sites, as they often include entry fees and sometimes even public transportation. Research the city you're visiting to see if a pass makes sense for your itinerary. For example, cities like Barcelona and Amsterdam have passes that cover major museums, guided tours, and even discounts at restaurants. Just be sure to plan your days around the attractions included in the pass to maximize your savings. Navigating European cities is often best done via public transportation, which is typically efficient and affordable. Instead of relying on taxis or rideshare services, familiarize yourself with local buses, trams, and metro systems. Many cities offer day passes or multi-ride tickets that can further reduce the cost of getting around. Additionally, Walking or biking is a great way to explore a city while saving money and getting some exercise. Many cities have bike-sharing programs that provide an inexpensive way to see the sights at your own pace. Europe is rich in history and culture, and many of its attractions are free or low cost. Take advantage of free museums, parks, and historical sites. For instance, numerous cities have specific days when museums offer free entry, so plan your visit accordingly. Explore public parks, gardens, and waterfronts, which often provide beautiful settings for relaxation and picnicking. Additionally, attending local festivals or events can be a fantastic way to experience the culture without spending much. Keep an eye on local event calendars to find free concerts, art exhibitions, or cultural celebrations during your stay. Connecting with fellow travelers can open doors to new experiences and cost-saving opportunities. Consider joining travel forums, social media groups, or apps designed for travelers to share tips and recommendations. Meeting other travelers can lead to group activities, such as sharing transportation costs or finding affordable tours. Additionally, some travelers may have insider knowledge about deals or hidden gems that aren't widely advertised. Engaging with the travel community not only enriches your experience, but also helps you discover budget-friendly options that you might not have found on your own. Finally, thorough planning and research can significantly impact your budget travel experience in Europe. Before your trip, create a rough itinerary that outlines your destinations, accommodations, and activities. Use travel blogs, forums, and social media to gather insights and tips from those who have traveled recently. Look for discounts or special offers on attractions and transportation in advance. By being well informed, you can make smarter choices that align with your budget while ensuring you don't miss out on must-see sights and experiences. Traveling Europe on a shoestring budget in 2026 is not only feasible, but can also be an enriching experience filled with adventure and discovery. By embracing off-peak travel, utilizing budget airlines and trains, finding affordable accommodations, and engaging in local experiences, you can make the most of your journey without overspending. The 10 hacks shared here are designed to empower you to explore the continent while keeping your finances in check. With a little planning and creativity, Europe can be your playground, offering unforgettable memories without the hefty price tag.